How's everyone doing? Sorry I'm late, guys, but we're still in. Nothing is going on. Just give me a second here, guys. Yeah, I'm 30 minutes late today. Right. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me very well? Right.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen?
All right. We'll see what happens here today. EJ is currently stuck in this range. So we just gotta wait for EJ to break below or above this range. And then we'll be good to go. If it breaks below, we got clean traffic here to the left. If it breaks above, we got clean traffic here. So whichever way, we should be good. All these weeks on AJ though. AJ should actually continue dropping. We got Canadian news in 30 minutes. We got the CPI numbers coming up. The music volume was too low? Is that what you're saying?
Looking for someone to save me from all of the things in my past. I'd do anything just to make it stop.
Man, GU's nasty.
Sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me.
If this candle flips on GU,
Give me pain, give me
GU should add down.
It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. La 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 la. All I want is la 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 la. All I want is la 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 la.
Everything is pointing towards a sell.
Feeling like I'm going crazy, staying inside in my bed, wishing that someone could wake me up.
I don't like AJ going to the top side though.
Ones with the happy end, hoping that someday I'll find the one. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love. Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is someone.
EJ looks clean. Same thing with GJ. CJ, I like the cells. I don't know about AJ and NZDJPY.
Ease my mind, give me headache, I don't care. It's whatever, all I want is
So we'll see what happens with the Canadian news in about 16 minutes. Remember, so guys are helping on. Keep smashing that like button. Let's get these views up. Last night was very good. We took 3 trades during was it 3 or 4? Let me see. I think we took 3 or 4 trades during Asian session, which I don't normally do. I think we took 3. And then should have went to sleep. I didn't. Wanted to send one more trade for the ones that didn't take any trades during Asian. Tried to trade during London. Then we had one loss. Only the premium members got those trades anyways. Let's see. Okay, we traded AJ, EJ, and GJ during Asian. And all those were sell. Then I tried buying EJ during London. that was a loss. So we took 3 during Asian, 1 during London. So we had 3 wins and 1 loss. Good morning, Yudi. This move here on GJ, I was waiting on GJ to drop, but let me show you guys something. Now, I was looking at this candle, wanted to get in, but I did not because it had no top wick. But the mistake I made, and what I usually do was, if I do not see a top wick, I will go to the H4. Now, when this H4 candle fully bearish, that should have been my entry. And my entry should have been somewhere right here below this support here. Once it flipped, I would have got in, and look at that. I would have caught 60 pips on this move, on that GJ drop, even though it had no top wick. Then when I used the 4-hour time frame for my entry, now I'll, obviously entry will be on the 30-minute, but I'll go over to the 30, to set my stop loss. Obviously, I could have had a 20 to 25 pip stop loss here. Let's say I had the 20 pip stop loss, and I would have bagged 60 pips, but I missed it. That was how I ended up taking EJ. And EJ acted crazy. Sometimes when you're looking for bottom wicks or top wicks on the lower time frame, go to the higher time frame and see what you have. You'll see on the H1 the candle didn't have no top wick, but on the 4-hour we had a bearish flip, which would have been a nice entry here, because the 4-hour flip signified the rejection at the top here for price to keep pushing down. Stuff like that happens. When it happens, there's nothing you can do. There will be times where you're gonna miss entries. See this 4-hour here, trying to flip bearish. But this candle closes in 10 minutes, so we'll see what happens. And GJ right now can have buys above 167 and sells below 166, 520 right here. If it keeps dropping, we should be looking at potential 50 to 60 pips drop here. And if it breaks this support and continue dropping, my final TP just will be right here for about 110 pips. So we'll see. With CJ, we have Canadian news coming up in 9 minutes. We got a double top here, so we should keep dropping. And if any one of you is interested in joining the premium signals, so you can get access to the Asian session and sometimes London session as well, the link is down below. Once I have enough members in there, then we're also gonna start doing weekly webinars. We'll go over potential trade setup for the following week, and also I'll go over how you guys can find your zones, mark up your zones, your entry, and stuff like that. So basically it's gonna be kind of like a mentorship as well. We're gonna be doing that once a week, every weekend, preferably maybe Saturday or Sunday. So we'll all come together and pick one day. Maybe it's gonna be on Saturdays or maybe it's gonna be on Sundays. That's what we're gonna be doing. Not just gonna be signals alone. So we'll be having trade webinars as well.
Every time somebody comes close, I always seem to lose control. Yeah, I lose control. I guess I never should have let you in so close to my body. I should have known, just because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should have known.
No, I'm not in. I'm not in any trades yet.
So close to my body, my body, my body. Because you spent the night doesn't mean you want me. I should've known not to let my guard down so damn fast before even knowing where we're really at. Guess I never should've let you in so close to my body, my body, my body.
Jag minns ju den tid du gav mig life villa, yo. Nu vill jag kunna ge tillbaka allt jag inte kunnat ge förut. Det finns ju ingen annan där som kan stå här by my side, oh why. Sättet du rör på det får mig att dö för det, baby. För de här yardis, de vill ju bara dra ner oss. Men du är fett och vanlig. Och det jag lägger av min tid, jag vill ha dig. Du får mig känna safety. Vi kan nog leda, baby. Och jag kommer aldrig ändra mig. Aldrig kommer aldrig känna så här för någon annan än dig. Aldrig.
And also, very soon also, you guys, it's only going to be for the people in the premium membership. When we get some certain numbers, I'm gonna also give you access to a Forex copy. So all you gotta do is just set it up on your MT4. I believe it has, you can use MT5 as well. I'm not sure. I'm gonna look more into it. And before I, give it out to the public for you guys, I'm gonna test it myself, so that whenever I do take a trade, that way you're not gonna miss any trades as long as you get it set up. But you're gonna need a VPS, so you're gonna have to get a VPS for that. If it's good, then I'll put it out to the public as well. So whenever I do take a trade, you just take the trade automatically for you as well. It's just something I'm gonna do in the future.
Jag svär mitt liv kretsar runt dig, baby. Du bär på mina bebek så att när jag visionerar vår framtid. Låt mig hålla dig, baby. Hey,
And if some of you have reached out to me on Instagram talking about do I manage accounts? No, I don't. You know why? Because I've actually done that in the past, and a lot of people do not understand how it really works. Because I feel like the people that are looking for you to manage the accounts, they're just looking for fast money. That's all they're looking for. I know someone who does it. He's Nigerian himself. Like, I don't know him personally, but we've had conversations. But he doesn't manage small accounts. He manages like almost 7-figure accounts. He has investors. He actually has a few 7-figure investors, and actually they're from Dubai. He has a few from Dubai, and he has a few from here as well. So if you feel like you have close to 7-figure account, I can direct you to him. And for me, even if I'm gonna do it, if you don't have at least a 6-figure account, don't even talk to me about it at all. If that's what I'm handling myself, like, why should I be handling more than a 6-figure account with someone else? It's just a waste of my time. Okay, what happened with the Canadian news? Let's see. Good numbers or bad numbers? Okay. Alright, where's the core CPI number? Come on, bro, what are you doing? So far, their numbers look good, so CJ might go bullish. But if this core CPI number is red, then CJ might keep dropping. Why this doesn't want to load? Damn, I want to see what that number is. That number must have been red. I'm in GJ. I'm in GJ. So we'll see what happens. Well, so GJ, just gonna have this here. Just gotta wait and see if GJ's gonna act nice. But I need to see where these numbers are. Okay, good numbers for CJ. in blues, so hopefully it keeps dropping. We're in blues, boys.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, see you. My baby, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord. I write to the Lord.
I live in the United States, but I'm Nigerian.
I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again. Everything for your Jambele. Oh, Jambele. Oh, yeah. You are not a friend of me. No. Baby, you mean more to me. More to me.
AJ dropping as well. But I'm gonna take one trade at a time here. Maybe we can take EJ, but EJ needs to break below this support.
Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah. No. But yeah,
Come on, GJ, we need you to keep dropping. First TP here is 1-to-1 risk to reward.
If I do my Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord. I write to the Lord. Gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again.
Yes, I do, but only in us 100.
You are not a friend of me. No. Baby, you mean more to me. More to me. You are not a friend of me. No. Baby, you mean more to me. More to me. Keep us safe. Baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you.
Once we get 10 pips, that's when we're gonna move stops to break even and take partial.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no.
I'll be right back, guys. Remember what I said. Once you get 10 pips, move stops to entry and take partials and let the rest run. I feel like we should get at least 40 to 50 pips out of this GJ drop here. Okay, we're almost at 10. I'm just gonna wait before I leave. Okay, spooling back again. I'll be right back.
She telling me she want to be my lover, yeah. I love you when she want to be my lover, yeah. My little baby go rise on me. My little baby go rise on me. Maria, Maria, Maria. Every time you're looking out for me. Every time you're looking out for me. Love you, yeah, love. Everything go from Maria.
if you're targeting 167, so you're saying GJ is gonna buy? GJ cooking up a crazy buy for New York session. Oh, congrats, Mr. Grind Time. Passing all these funded accounts is a very hard thing to do, and you're doing it. Yeah, so congratulations to you. If you're taking any of these challenge accounts and you're finding it hard to pass, that doesn't mean if you were trading your account, it is going to be the same result. Because trading all this prop firm, it's very, very hard. I'll tell you guys, because you're restricted to all this daily drawdown. The maximum drawdown is, decent in my opinion, but the daily drawdown is crap to me. So in order for you to pass it, you gotta be very, very, very disciplined. That's the key. Yeah, you gotta be very, very disciplined. Because every trade you take, your SL is gonna be different. If you take 2 trades today, the next trade you take, your SL might not be the same. So you gotta figure out what lot size are you gonna use, what your minimum or maximum risk is gonna be on that trade, so that you don't end up, going over the daily drawdown. It's like you can't be taking unnecessary risk. So if you find yourself like if you find yourself failing all these prop firm challenges, you keep trying. Like after the third try, in my opinion, just focus on trading your own account. Try and get some capital and trade your own account. That means it's not meant for you. Alright, GJ is playing here. It was dropping nice and now it's playing. As long as it doesn't flow bullish, and as long as it closes bearish, we should continue down. Of course, Emmanuel, you gotta have it. You gotta have a trading plan. Now I'm not saying sometimes I don't go against my trading plan. For example, yesterday I went against my trading plan. Shouldn't have traded no London session at all because I've already taken 3 trades, but I ended up taking one more trade and that trade was a loss. So I didn't follow my trading plan. So I tell people in regards to your trading plan, you just gotta, discipline yourself well enough to make sure you follow your trading plan. My trading plan is taking 1 to 2 trades a day, maximum 3. Maximum 3. GJ is steadily playing with us here. Okay, AJ flipped bullish. Wasn't gonna take CJ anyways. EJ is trying to go back to this range. EJ trying to go back to the range. NJ flipped as well. Like GJ is not pointing towards buying at all, but we'll see what happens. The buys on GJ is not until above 167. Because at that time we'll break above this trend line and also break above this resistance, and also with this double top we have here, it should continue dropping. But as you know, the market is always going to do whatever it wants to do. It broke below the 15-minute support. You can see it broke below it, closed below it. Probably retesting it now on the 15. We'll see.
Feels like I know you. We love the same things. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything. I'm living thinking about you. So are you thinking about me?
I'm already in GJ sales, Marco. I'm already in GJ sales. Like I said, in my opinion, I don't see buys right now. That's why I took the sell. This 4-hour flip bearish initially. That's another reason why I took it. The same thing on the H1. So we just gotta wait and see what happens here. Come on guys, we got 130 people watching, we only got 45 likes. Come on, be nice to me and smash that like button. It was the third like, Mr. Grantime. Thank you. If nobody likes my stream, I know you will. If this candle do close bearish, we should keep dropping here. Closes in 1 minute. Come on, flip bearish and drop. Now I'm just gonna let it run. Somebody was talking about buys earlier. Right now, currently, I don't see buys. So all I see is a sell continuation to the downside. So we just gotta wait and see what happens.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you
It was really dropping nice earlier.
else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight.
Well, if this is your first trade with me, welcome. Hopefully we win.
In the future with me, I wanna meet
You're waiting for a 5-minute bullish engulfing in the first hour. If not, then there is no trade.
Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way, and everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, wedding casually, yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you.
Well, if EJ breaks above this resistance, then means we break above this range.
I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family.
This candle on the 5 minute has no top, has no bottom wick. I mean, it has a tiny little bit of wick at the bottom. Doesn't have enough time to flip bearish though. I'm looking to take one more trade today. Okay. If this candle closes above, then we might get clapped. expecting it to come down and fill up this week on the H4. But that's not happening right now. But sometimes EJ and GJ, they tend to move together. Sometimes. Once GJ start dropping again, EJ might start dropping as well. But currently it's still inside this range. So I'ma just let this do whatever it's gonna do. Whatever happens, I'ma look for one more trade. And then I'll call it a day after that.
You call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me
I don't know about GU either.
Dark skin like Panther. Danger how she move, no Panther.
You got this resistance at 122,800, and you got another one here at 123,200. Before the resistance at 124,200. She love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lounge with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in. Take a look at UJ.
With your friends now. With your friends now. Girl, up for my key. All you really want is my key. Girl, want me to wipe it.
USDJPY should continue dropping. It actually dropped 25 pips already.
Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean. Yeah, she deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean.
If you took the setup on UJ, it was a nice setup. This is how GJ should play out as well. But we're looking at the opposite. Your SL even GJ? Okay. Your SL must have been right above this previous 30-minute wick. So we had about 17 pips to SL. In my own opinion, when it comes to pairs like GJ, anything below 20 pips stop loss is just too low, in my own opinion. If I trade a pair like UJ, then I could have a 20 pip stop loss depending on my entry, or maybe even a 15 pip. If I caught this move here, I would have gotten right here. But obviously we didn't catch it. Stop loss would have been above this. It's actually 23 pip stop loss. But we didn't catch it. We didn't catch the move. my stop loss, as you can see, is just a little bit above this previous top wick here. So we'll see what happens. Closed above only 5 minutes. This candle closes in 10 minutes. It could still flip, and it could continue pushing up.
The other day saw you looking my way. I start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that?
But for me, even if it wants to start buying, if it does not break above 167, I'm not taking any buys.
Me feeling just fine, one of a kind. Who better than I? Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe. Time that I relocate. Don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I know my place. Shawty, I know my. Got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. I got a lot to do. At the crack of dawn in the dark of night, what I got to do? I'ma make it loud, how I made you scream like a cockatoo. Turn the pussy wet, by the shoulder rest with the cockatoo. What you expect, how I forget these thoughts of you. Don't need no reps, I'm in the jet, gon' fly the coop, fly the coop. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game. I won't keep you safe.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am.
Right.
Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices around.
You waiting for the news? Are you waiting for the USD news? I don't think it's gonna affect. I don't think it's gonna do anything. The USD news at 8:30 in 10 minutes, because it has no forecast numbers, no previous numbers, so it might not affect the market. But we'll see. But it's still good for you to wait.
Don't try to please me, not sure that you can. Don't get me started, babe, cause this is the end. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm not good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat.
The drop on GJW and AGN was, man, pretty very, very nice. Alright, we might get clapped here. Let's just see what GJ does. I mean EJ. And if he decides to start dropping again, I might give it another chance.
I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own.
What?
Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I'm by myself, but never alone. I got my friends when I'm on my own. Calling us friends, calling us friends, calling us friends. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better
EJ rejected the support. But right now it's at this range. And for me, there's just too much stuff going on here with AJ. I won't even look at buys until it breaks this resistance. There's too much stuff going on here. CJ, we got this range here, and we got this resistance right here. So I was looking to trade EJ and GJ today. First trade, GJ acting crazy. Now I'm gonna count on EJ to make me some money this morning. Looks like, yep, I'm clapped. Yep, I'm officially clapped on GJ. Alright, one loss, one more trade to go. One loss, one more trade to go. Alright, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close on EJ, and I'm gonna see what happens. UJ also faking out. Yep, SL definitely hit. No matter what strategy you're using, you can't tell me you do not lose. Even if you do everything within your power and follow the setup you normally use, it still doesn't guarantee that you're gonna win that trade. Let's see. I think I did 25 pips, yeah. Oh, what the hell? Why is it like this? Oh, damn. Why is it like this? It's because I'm on live. That's why. I gotta freaking fix this. Right. Well, we'll see what happens with EJ. All right. Oh, nice. That's a if EJ breaks above and if we have huge volume here, we could see a runner here on EJ. You guys know the loss I hate the most is fake outs. I don't care what anyone says, this sell definitely should have been dropping. But if we break this trend line and close above this trend line and close above this resistance, because we have a double top right now here, price could just come back here to this resistance, reject again, and now we're going to have a triple top. So you just got to wait and see if it's going to close above resistance. If it does, then we'll have a chance to take a buy.
Cause I don't wanna start this day off like this. No reasons to get up lately.
But for now, I'm just going to wait and see what EJ does here.
Falling down from the sky again. Overload, I'm insecure. Leave me be. And it just doesn't seem like me. Making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. Cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Smiles fake, just gotta power it through. Cause otherwise you'll pull me way down with you. You're not gonna become a habit. I'm not letting you tell me how to be. I make my way till you let me free. Overload, I'm insecure, set me free. And it just doesn't seem like me. Making it look like I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're still stuck on me. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby. Yeah, even if you're gone, you come back at night. Cause you ain't get me down whenever I'm on the road. You never made it easy for me, baby. You never made it easy for me, baby.
Damn, what the hell is wrong with ankle trade?
Time just keeps on ticking faster. I don't know the way. Just that time will make it easier. Guess I don't mind if you leave me, babe, so I could feel fine. Yeah, even when I'm happy, you are by my side. And when I close my eyes, you're
Oh, guys. Damn, guys. Shit, I hope you guys got in. Once I got in, then I kind of went off track there for a second. Man, I gotta use the restroom so bad here. Oh. Man, gotta use the restroom so bad. But let me do this real quick. I think you should go back here. Just gonna keep going up. I'll be right back, guys. come on, EJ, you still playing? You should be at 10 pips right now. Well, GJ is currently rejecting this resistance. What happened to A1 Media Group? Dang, what was your lot size? You didn't win any trades during London either? Or Asian? Iron Man trading the house. No, we took first trade we took was a freaking GJ sales initially. That was a loss, and now we took EJ buys. Hopefully we win this one. So even if we do close bullish here, I'm hoping we'll just keep going to the upside here because we kind of have clean traffic here to the left. GJ to 167,396. That's your TP. maybe, because on GJ we do kind of have a resistance here. On the 30-minute we do have resistance here to the left. Then we got clean traffic right here. If it breaks above, GJ should actually head to 167,800. If we got enough volume to push it to the upside. EJ basically just ranged all through London. Faked out a couple of times. Here. Kind of don't like how this candle closed, because I think the wick is bigger than the body here. No, I don't like what GJ is doing here. Whatever happens with this trade, I'm done today. Okay. Don't tell me I'm about to get freaked out again. I'm cool, Alex. Long time no see. EJ, you better give me some money here today. Alright, come on EJ, give me some money. Don't act like GJ. Just freaking give me some money. How you say you just won your 10 pips? Man, I feel you. I feel you on that one. For someone that didn't get in at this previous bullish flip, now we had another bullish flip here. That was another buy entry. See no reason why we shouldn't win this trade after having two bullish flips now. Like, if we don't win this trade, it will be crazy. Come on, AJ boy, stop, man. If you don't stop playing, I'm gonna just punch you in the face. So if anyone knows who EJ is, you better tell him, cause I'm losing my patience. I'm about to punch him in the face if he doesn't stop playing. It didn't go 10 pips yet, did it? No, it didn't go 10 pips yet. If it gets to 10 pips, then that's when I'm gonna take some partials and move stops to entry or break even, whatever you call it. I don't like using the word break even because I always take partials, if I get 10 pips at least. So I don't like using the word break even, because to me breaking even means if you didn't make any money at all and you get stopped out at entry. To me, that's break even. But if I took partials, I mean, it simply means I made some money, right? So that's not break even to me. Like putting your stops at break even after like 5 pips, like I don't recommend it, especially with volatile pairs like EJ, GJ, actually with most JPY pairs, because majority of the time you're gonna get stopped out. I need at least 10 pips, not 5 pips. How did you guys get 10 pips? I must have missed it or something. Oh yeah, I must have missed it. Well, if you got 10 pips already, congratulations. I must have missed it. I wasn't looking at my phone. Because Zay just said he got 10 pips. Where was your entry, Zay? Did you get in when I called it, or you got in before I called it? Let me know, just in case I'm missing something here. Man, it's playing too much games. Wow, if you got 10 pips already, well, congratulations. I missed it. $143, $4.99. Oh, okay. Alright, looks like it got to 10 pips. I missed it. Even if I did got the 10 pips, I would have moved my stops and I would have been taken out now. But we'll see. Hopefully it goes back up. Your entry was 143,500. Man, this is crazy, boy. Okay, looks like Zay is the only one that got 10 pips out of this. Well, GJ keeps rejecting. If GJ freaking drops, I will be pissed, man. Because I was freaking in the right trade and freaking stop me out. They didn't just stop here. Then they decided to go back up and freaking go back up to this resistance and rejected it. So the fact that it didn't close above this trend line, we're still rejecting this trend line right now because we didn't break above. We didn't close above. Oh man. CJ doing something else. AJ trying to flip bullish. Same thing with NZDJPY. Which means it could still reject here. Delete this. This is our new support here on NZDJPY. This resistance here though. Alrighty. Oh man. I'm pissed. I'm so pissed I missed the 10 pips here, man. I won't be worried about EJ anymore right now. Well, like I said earlier, whatever happens with this trade, I'm completely done trading today. If we should break below this low, then I believe that's it. We're over it. We should be coming down, which is gonna be 143, 314. So Zay, you didn't move your steps to break to entry. You still believe in the buys? I hate it when I get in a trade and then it just start playing games like this. I'd rather take the trade and then just go about my day and not even watch it. Like when I send trade outs during when I'm not live streaming, like Asian or London session, like I don't look at it. Like I don't stay looking at it like I'm doing right now. If I'm not actively doing something after I take the trade, then what I do is I'll look at it, like since I trade on a 30-minute, I'll look at it every 15 to 30 minutes just to see if I got 10 pips. That's why, as a result, sometimes I will end up taking partials at 15, sometimes at 20 when I'm not live streaming. Alright, fully bullish again. Third line blink. Maybe. But I currently don't like what it's doing, except if I see a nice bullish engulfing. If we start breaking these highs, if we go to the 5, if we start breaking these highs on the 5 minute, then maybe I won't move stops to entry after 10 pips. But the way it's acting right now, if I get 10 pips, I'm moving my stops. But if we keep going bullish here, I believe we should be heading back to this resistance. Even though my final TP is somewhere here, I believe. How are you gonna get another turn and do the same thing? Why is your broker mad at you right now? Honestly, I do, because I take supply and demand also once in a while. I do take supply and demand setup. I've taken it here a few times, but with this EJ, I would just rather wait for it to break above this range. And then again, I really do believe in EJ buys. Price action wise, I believe in EJ buys because if you look at this support, look at all this week, multiple rejections right here. That simply means price is refusing to close below this range. So I do believe in the buys. And at the top we only have like a double top here at the top here, so I do believe in the buys because it didn't want to drop. If we go to the 5 here, except if you decide to trade in this range, then you took the buys here, somewhere here, TP at this resistance, the same thing here. And when it comes to supply and demand, in my opinion, if you trade on the 5 minute, then supply and demand should definitely work perfectly fine for you. and you can always use the higher time frame for confirmations. Nope, just like I do with NAS 100. I only trade supply and demand with NAS, and it's always on a 5-minute. So in my opinion, supply and demand works very well on the 5-minute. I don't know about any other time frame. I can't tell you that because I don't trade it on any other time frame. So I can only tell you about the 5-minute time frame. My first TP here is 143,786 for 30 pips. 30 pips for TP1, 25 pips stop loss. That's what I have on EJ.
Let me put your mind at ease. Trust me, I take the lead, cause I wanna ride with you. Just give in to the fire, cause I'ma take you higher.
Damn, I'm still not at 10 pips. Hold on. Where's my spread on EJ with ankle trade? I don't even know where my spread is, but right now it's fluctuating between 0.9 and 1.1 pips for the spread. My spread is probably 1 pip or 1.2 pips. Oh shit, I should be at 10. Alright, 10 pips smashed. Let's go. Let's see some W's. Finally. Finally. Alright, closed out at 13 pips on EJ. At least be nice now and smash the like button. Move your stops to break even. You guys already know I always recommend that.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay
Can move your stops to break even if you want.
I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe. Fuck me, babe.
Good job, John, for sticking with the GJ buys that you took.
I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance.
So what GJ did was completely ignored this support here and instead respected, where's this thing? Respected this support over here. Right there. That's what he did. So if GJ breaks this resistance, if he closes above this trend line now, if this candle closes above, then we should continue going bullish. Come on, EJ, smash TP. Smash TP for me. Come on, guys, let's see the W's and let's see the likes. Okay. I guess some of you didn't take EJ. If we had closed below this low here, I would have probably closed out of EJ. But since we didn't, that's why I stayed in it. Yeah, actually, John. Yeah, that was what I was saying. That you can. I know you probably have your TP somewhere here at this resistance. But if we do break and close above, that's another potential entry there. NJ got this support here to the left, strong resistance here to the right. So that could be a potential rise if we break above. Today is Wednesday, meaning tomorrow is going to be my last trading day because I don't trade on Fridays. So, I know you have no top wick, but at least smash TP1 for me. Come on, smash TP1 for me. Do not flip bearish, just keep going. Keep freaking going. John, do you trade on a 5 minute? Oh, this would have been nice. This on the 5 minute, even without this trend line here, if I was on the 5, I would have got in here after this pullback. Because this pullback, just look at it. On the 5, we have a demand set up right here. Bam. Bam, entry right here. See, this is why I say if I'm gonna trade supply and demand, I will trade it on the 5 minute. Definitely would have got in here if I was strictly a supply and demand trader, and I'll be up 33 pips now. Stops just below here. See, setups like this. Anyways, so for example, if you miss this move from here, you got another entry right here on the 5, which is this candle here. Come on, smash TP, damn it. Oh, you did, John? In the beginning? Oh, that was nice. But honestly, even looking at GG and the 5, I wouldn't have expected it to even reject it here in the first place. I would have expected it to reject here at 166.050 or something, or reject down here at this support somewhere here. But you know, it is what it is though. That's this industry for you. You cannot win it all. You cannot win it all. Oil is going crazy, Iron Man. AJ going up nicely. If you're still looking to trade, if AJ breaks this resistance, and AJ could potentially get back to this resistance, because once he breaks this resistance here, we got clean traffic to the upside. This candle has just a tiny little bitty wick at the bottom. There we go, TP smashed. Now I'm gonna take more partials. TP1 smashed. Let's go. Taking more partials here. Altogether, I have closed 40. This is why I'll be closing partials. I've closed 40 pips. Just do the same thing I'm doing. My TP2 is actually somewhere over here, but I'm gonna see if this gets over here. I'm gonna take more partials. If you're still in EJ, let's see those W's. Alright. I might miss out on GJ. It's okay if I don't take anything else. Altogether, I have closed. Alright, if this TP gets smashed here for the 5 pips, I'm closing it. I'm gonna take more partials. and then I'll just let the rest run. If it wants to get to my TP3, fine. If this gets smashed, I'm gonna move it to TP2, but I'm gonna take more partials right here. But once I start seeing signs of rejection here at this resistance, I might close out my entire trade. Smashed. Taking more partials. Smashed. Taking more partials here. You can do the same for the 3994. Now let's see if TP2 will get smashed. Ooh, you wanna smash TP2? TP2 smashed, boys. Let's get it. TP2 smashed. Come on. Let's see those W's.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it. But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with it. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with it. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I fall for his eyes when he's staring into mine. Know he's bad for me. So what's standing in our way? And he's out of my league. I feel insecure, but I hope this is real, yeah.
Nice one, Zay.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure.
If it breaks above this resistance, I think I'm gonna close full here. Or I'll take another 50% and let the trade run to this TP here. Damn, nice, UD. Very nice. Yeah, there's no GJ bears for me right now here. I be telling people that when it comes to JPY pairs, EJ and GJ, those two are the most volatile JPY pairs. When they're ready to move, they move, and you can get good pips out of it. Cause look at AJ, he's moving. AJ, in my opinion, AJ is the third most volatile out of the JPY pairs. It's moving. CJ, don't like trading it. I do trade it once in a while, but for the most part, I don't like trading it. What else? NZD JPY and USD JPY, those two, they're not that volatile. So my top 3 JPY pairs is GJ, EJ, and AJ. Those are my top 3. Man, I'm so proud of you, UD. Like, I'm so proud of you. You've just been killing it after the session we had. So what's your loss looking like now, UD? Are you now profitable consistently? What's your loss looking like? Damn, you haven't lost in 3 weeks. Shit, UD, I might have to come learn from you then. Cause I'm taking losses. But still profitable though. But I definitely have taken losses in 3 weeks. The last winning streak I had was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Didn't have no losses at all. Last week I took some losses. This week so far, I think I've lost 2 trades this week so far. Yep, 2 trades so far. One today, no, one this morning, one during London, 3 actually. So this week I've taken 7 trades. Yeah, I think I've taken 7 trades. Hold on. I need to confirm that.
We won't waste any more time, yeah. You're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away.
Let's see.
It's
Week.
like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dream.
DJ.
Now you won't be there. And I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again.
5,
Don't drag it out.
6,
Skip the innocence.
8.
Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
MT4 is not showing me what I want. When did this week start?
Need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
Okay, this week started on the 20th. Okay,
All these memories that we've made
1,
won't fade away for a while.
2,
You said you don't mind, that you'll be just
3,
fine. No room for second chances. Hey,
okay,
I got
3,
all that I need. No need to apologize. We won't
three.
waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize.
3,
I
4,
got all that I need.
5,
Need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need.
5,
No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, baby, yeah. I got all you need. I got all you need. Say, oh,
8,
we won't waste any more time. Yeah.
8. Alright, this week I've taken 8 trades, lost 315. This week, not bad. I couldn't actually tell on my MT4. I had to go back to my premium member on Discord to determine how many trades I've taken, how many losses I've taken, and how many wins. So we've taken 8 trades, 5 wins, 3 losses this week. And that's including the stream as well, alright? That's including the stream. So if you look at the top of your screen, the monthly trade record, that's for the live stream. So altogether this month, so okay, we took 2 trades this morning, so it's gonna be 20 wins and 8 losses so far this month on stream. Now the yearly trade record, that includes the stream and my premium signals. So for that's gonna be 128 wins, because we took 1 win and 1 loss today. 128 wins and 42 losses so far for the year, and that includes, like I said, the live stream as well. So the only trade record, if you're looking for the trade record for the live streams, that's going to be the monthly trade record. And now we're in June, so far is wait, 19. So I said 20. That's 19 wins and 8 losses. Yeah, 19 wins and 8 losses so far for the month. Oh yeah, Lupe, I have definitely taken profit. I have taken profit twice. No, 3 times actually. Took profit when we smashed 10 pips. Took another when we smashed 40. And now my TP2 was smashed, so automatically my trade was closed at TP2. Now my TP3 is somewhere around here at the top here, but if we smash this TP here, then I'm gonna take one more. I'm gonna take another 50%. I only have one entry running right now because when I take a trade, I usually have TP1, TP2, TP3. Those in my premium signal will testify to that. So I usually have 3 TPs. So TP1 smash, TP2 smash, TP3 is somewhere here, but I've taken partials 3 times here. But if we smash this TP right here, I'm going to take another 50%, and then I'm just going to let the rest run. That's it. Mods, please can someone just post the premium signal link? Can you post it in the chat? Post it in the chat, and if you're interested, the link is going to be in the description. Jason, if you're still here watching, you are another person I'm definitely proud of. You've been smashing US 30, combining supply and demand with trend line. I believe that's the strategy you use. Yeah, you're right, Anton. I decided to stick with JPY pairs for a reason. This is what I'll be doing now. Here's the JPY. 1, 2, 3. Cool. So if we don't trade AJ, we'll trade EJ. If we don't trade EJ, we'll trade GJ. That's it. Alright, we're currently rejecting this resistance, but I still believe it's gonna break it. If it does, that's potential entry for the people who are trying to get in on EJ. Let me see. Now I'm gonna move my stops to entry. If you're still on EJ, move stops to entry based on the 15-minute time frame. Move stops to profit at 143.607. Alright, 143.607. I forgot to do that because there's no reason for me not to make at least some money right now, just in case it decides to reverse at resistance. All right. $143,607. That's should be your new stop loss. All right, there you go. There you go. In total on EJ, I've actually closed out at 90 pips. Closed at 10. Then I closed 2 partials at 40. That's 50 right there. And another TP smash right here. So here I'm gonna just say, I'm gonna just put 80. Ooh. Let me know in the chat, guys, what pairs do you guys trade? What pairs do you guys love to trade? And please do not say gold. What is your most favorite pair, like your number one go-to pair that you look to trade every single day? If I'm to pick one, it's gonna be GJ. You guys know that. If I'm to pick two, it's gonna be GJ and EJ. Those are my top 2 currency pairs. But if I'm to pick one, number 1 is always gonna be GJ. Why not gold? Man, I hate gold. I mean, not really, because I've made money with it sometimes, so I'm just gonna say I have a love and hate relationship with gold. So that's why. Yes, you're right, Christian. But we're just talking, in general right now, general terms. Oh, you don't like GJ, Ellie? And I tell people, the way for you to figure out the pair you should be trading the most, if not, the way for you to find out is when you have a pair, when you have different pairs that you trade. Now, the one that makes you the most money, I'm telling you, that's the one you need to focus on. The one that makes you the most money, that's the one that you need to focus on. So if you want to pick 3, then you start from the one that makes you the most money and you work your way down. And then you have your top 3. That's how I have my top 3 currency pairs. GJ, EJ, and AJ. Those are my top 3. Now I do trade all the JPY pairs, but I'm thinking about just strictly focusing on those 3 and nothing more. Nothing more. Nothing more. So if those 3 does not move in Asian or London or New York, then I just won't trade that day. Or if it moves during Asian, I take it, make money. Then I won't trade London, and then I'll just trade during New York because I live stream in the morning anyways. If I don't take it during Asian, if it moves during London, I'll take it. And then I'll trade again during New York. And when New York comes, probably only take 1 or 2 trades. If I didn't trade Asian session yesterday, then today would have been at a loss for me. But because I traded Asian, made good money, only took 1 trade down in London, that was a loss. Then 1 loss now on GJ New York session, and then we have this nice win on EJ. Yep, I agree, you do. I agree, you do. That's what I was saying earlier, that the 2 most volatile JPY pairs is GJ and EJ. I actually know a few people, they started trading EJ because of my live stream. Because a lot of people don't trade EJ on a live stream. The people that live stream, you're gonna see them trading GJ and gold. Forex does the live stream on YouTube, they trade GJ and gold. It's like I'm the only one that started trading GJ, EJ, other pairs, because I haven't seen it. But I've been seeing it recently. But before I started streaming, nobody was doing that. It was always GJ or gold. Oh, what's his name? Stop Loss Matters. I think he trades AJ live. But that's not like it's like go-to pairs. Everyone is GJ and gold. Alright, we're rejecting resistance. Alright, UD. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Now, EJ is retracing. Now, if we have a nice bullish flip on the EGJ, you could get in and ride this thing to resistance. This should be right here. Standard daily. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream, so we continue this tomorrow. Thank you guys for hopping on. God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time, same session. New York session, 6:30 AM CST. I started 30 minutes late today, but tomorrow I'll try and get up early. I got up late today because, I was up doing London session. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow.